What was very important for us to create the Luxembourg Pavilion in Osaka was to be faithful to the principle of circular economy, because it's a temporary building, so it's not just material and energy you use and then you put to the trash after 6 months. It was very important to be sure that from the very beginning of the design we will have to a second life for those materials.
From the beginning, we were working all together. Luxembourg points and concepts and some Japanese ideas fitting together to adapt Luxembourgish pavilion in Japan.
What we proposed was not a round wooden full of plants pavilion, easy to understand, and the result is quite counterintuitive. It's a steel building with concrete foam panels on the facade, so it doesn't look at first sight like a sustainable building, but it is because of the principle of the circular economy.
My favorite place is probably the kind of labyrinth place where people are queuing between the boxes. With some green, with the light on the membrane, that's a very mysterious place.
We follow 3 principles: refuse, reuse, reduce. And the design based on resources and on material assure that it will be dismantled, it will disappear in the local Japanese building industry.
It's not a building. We created a place.